guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Those of you that have yet to do so, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now this video is based on how I make my rice water for extreme hair growth. I have been using rice water for about a year and I've noticed a drastic change in the length of my hair. I definitely went from shoulder length all the way to, I would say, mid back length. Now my hair grows in some sort of a V shape, as you can see. It is thick and it is full, and this is only after using a blow dryer, my Dyson blow dryer. So stick around and comment down below, guys. Let's start the video. So first things first, I gathered my supplies, what I'm gonna need. I have my spray bottle, my mason jar with the cover, some jasmine rice I'm gonna be using. Gonna be washing it really well, just rubbing it in between my hands just to get the coating off of it so that it's nice and clean after, so I can use it for my hair. I rinsed it a couple of times, as you can see. I rubbed it in between my hands, I rinsed it, and then I repeated the process a second time. Then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the rice all the way to my mason jar. Make sure I get every single little piece of the rice, and cleaning off the counter as well, because I got a few grains on the counter. And next I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to peel a tangerine, just because the smell of fermented rice water does not smell the best, as you guys already know. So I'm just peeling the skin off of this tangerine. I'm gonna go ahead and eat the tangerine. It was so delicious because it was very ripe. And then I went ahead and poured water into a small saucepan, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in the pieces of the tangerine that I had already peeled, and I'm going to put it on the stove so that it can have time to boil, as you can see over here, for about 10 minutes. Here we are 10 minutes later. It's boiled. All the skin of the tangerine has infused into the water, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the stove. I'm gonna let it sit and cool into this. After I pour it into this bowl, I'm gonna allow it to cool down before I'll be able to do anything with it. And you can see the color from the tangerine peels has just made the water more colored. I'm using the tangerine peels just because to kind of reduce the bad smell of the rice water itself. And the Yao women were the ones that were most famous for using rice water, and they're known to have super duper long hair. So I've been following this method and it's been beneficial to me as far as strength and length for my hair as well. So there's plenty of videos here on YouTube about the Yao women rice water hair. So, you know, I don't live in that location, so what I have is what I use. That's why I'm using the tangerine peels. And I went ahead and added the water from the tangerine peels and the tangerine skin onto my rice water in my mason jar. So I have my spray bottle right next to me, and I'm gonna go ahead and cover the mason jar. And for this one, just a little light housekeeping here, I'm gonna let it sit in a dry, cool place for 7 days. I have my essential oil, lavender, just anything to kind of help buffer away some of that horrible smell, because right now there's no bad smell, but once it's ferments, it's gonna smell really bad. So I went ahead and I covered it. Make sure the oils and the water is mixed in well with the rice, and of course everything is going to settle back down to the bottom. And here I am just spraying my hair with the rice water, and I have blow dried it out, and I'm just, because I'm natural, I'm stretching it out because shrinkage is very real, so you guys can definitely see how long my hair is. I'm probably sure that if I were to use a flat iron or to get a silk press, it would definitely be a lot longer than what it's showing. But hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Until next week's video, I will see you guys next week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified. Bye.